Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Fox News Corner. Today, starring by Dan. Oh, real quiet when the cameras are rolling. Alright, hey Garrett, what are we doing?
We're going to San Diego today.
And tomorrow.
And tomorrow.
What are we doing?
I'm gonna go eat.
No.
I do.
Don't lie. What are we gonna go do?
Potty.
There it is.
Yes. Yes.
Half dozen tortillas and guacamole and chips.
Or do they have
What do you think?
a yum so far?
A yum.
You're on yourself.
A yum. A yum.
It was when I took that piece of fruit out.
Look at those scary little puppets. Look at their
Okay,
faces.
wait, I'll be one. Wait, let me be one.
Okay. So, wait, go back. Perfect.
I found it, Johnny.
What'd you find?
Liberty Public Market.
Was that, were we looking for that?
Yeah,
They're
we're
having
gonna go
dinner.
for dinner.
Oh, yeah. Ooh woo.
Ooh.
We squanched
There
down.
and I'll be in the foreground.
Okay. Look how he's doing this. Okay.
What you have to do this?
Look at this.
Turn it that way, little. You don't get Garrett.
Yeah, he's in there.
Oh, there he is.
How embarrassing.
Comparison, Jenny, that we do selfies.
Yeah.
That would go so nice behind my chair.
How do I zoom in again? Oh, like this. Boop. Mom.
You guys should get this.
Gee, my mother was there. I read everything.
Is my face right?
Well, it's a little high, but I know you don't want to touch that.
How about that?
Okay, 3, 2, smile, Mom. 3, 2, 1.
Beautiful. Oh, okay. What are you guys doing?
Oh, no, we don't know.
Did you take it of us with Jenny in the front?
Yeah.
Crying is the first step towards him.
Homer Simpson said that.
What do you think about
Nothing.
head empty? No thoughts. We just out here doing a day trip to Coronado Island. When I say day trip, I mean we're staying the night.
That's a thick beard. You painted white, he Santa Claus.
Oh, beard. I'm looking for a beer.
Thick beard?
And I'm like, what does that mean?
Yeah.
I hear music.
Do you hear voices too?
No, I hear music. Oh no. He picks bad flavors.
He picked you.
Burn me good.
So
What are you doing?
Pictures of us all the
Man, I
time.
was taking a picture of you guys talking with the sun behind you.
Yeah, that's not cute. Nobody wants that. But my legs were
Too long. Look at her go.
I guess no one's gonna see if I'm gonna kill any pedestrians today.
Got all those people working out, and what are we doing, Mom?
eating food.
Filling our faces.
Okay, everybody, was this a great trip this weekend?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's the end of the video. Goodbye.
He licked me on my lips. He licked me on my lips.
And you liked it.
I hated it.
You pervert.